Moderna could be the next vaccine to receive full approval from the FDA.
The company completed the submission process today. Moderna has requested a priority review, but says that could still take months. It also filed a request for emergency use authorization to give its vaccine to children as young as 12.
Johnson & Johnson says booster shots will likely be recommended for people who got their single-shot vaccine. Those shots could be available as early as next month if it is approved. Now, COVID-19 hospitalizations in Colorado have gone up a bit. More than 680 people are hospitalized with COVID right now in our state. The last time we saw this sort of number was back in January. Now, the greatest percentage of people in the hospital right now are over the age of 40.
Recently, UCHealth, one of Colorado's biggest healthcare providers, announced the number of patients in its hospitals with COVID has doubled in recent weeks. Nurses and doctors tell us they just are struggling to find enough beds for everyone who needs one right now. CBS 4's Dylan Thomas on that story in northern Colorado tonight. Dylan, one of the first COVID patients in Colorado, had a message today both for the staff and also that Greeley community.
His name is Jacob Larson. He was one of UCHealth's first COVID-19 patients last year. He was actually intubated for weeks before that stay-at-home order was even issued last year. Today, he returned to say thank you to those who helped save not only his career, but his life as well, and to send one clear message to those who haven't been vaccinated yet.
Singing, it's Jacob Larson's passion and his source of income. But last year, he almost lost it all.
Right when COVID was starting, I was admitted to the hospital, the ICU.
Intubated for 13 days, Larson was among the most sick.
Jacob, hi, I'm Dr. Ralph. I admitted you to the hospital.
So good to see you.
Now, more than a year later, he returned to UCHealth's Longs Peak campus for the first time since being discharged.
You know you were our first COVID patient, right?
I do.
For Dr. Eamon Ralph,
And one of the things I was really worried about was he would never be able to sing again.
every year UCHealth has a barbecue for their staff, but this year, the entertainment was personal for many.
It's a very surreal experience of being able to come and perform for people that helped save my life.
While grateful for the work these medical heroes do every day, Larson hopes others will never have to meet them.
I am absolutely encouraging people to get their vaccine. I mean, this is the answer, and it's time to move past and do this together.
Larson has since been vaccinated, something Dr. Ralph hopes more will do.
The biggest thank you that anyone can give their healthcare providers to go get their COVID vaccine. I'm grateful he's made it to this point because a lot of our patients have not.
Underscoring the importance of getting that vaccine, Dr. Ralph tells us that every single patient being treated for COVID-19 in Longs Peak Hospital right now is unvaccinated. Reporting live in northern Colorado, Dylan Thomas, covering Colorado First.